Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of power supplies and explore the differences between switching power supplies and traditional power supplies. Let's start by looking at switching power supplies. These power supplies are known for their high efficiency, typically ranging between 80% and 90%. This means that they waste less energy and operate more efficiently than traditional power supplies. On the other hand, traditional power supplies have lower efficiency, generally between 60% and 80%. This results in more energy being lost as heat, making them less efficient than switching power supplies. In terms of size and weight, switching power supplies have the upper hand. Thanks to the use of high-frequency transformers and electronic components, they are smaller and lighter than traditional power supplies. This makes them more suitable for modern electronic equipment and portable devices. When it comes to stability and noise, switching power supplies offer high output stability but may generate high-frequency noise. To mitigate this, additional filtering circuitry is often required to reduce electromagnetic interference. On the other hand, traditional power supplies provide good output stability and low noise. They do not produce high-frequency switching noise but may have power-frequency noise present. In terms of application, switching power supplies are widely used in industrial equipment, telecommunications equipment, LED lighting, chargers, and other occasions that require high efficiency and compact design. They are also suitable for equipment requiring a variety of output voltages. Traditional power supplies, on the other hand, are mostly used in audio equipment, laboratory power supplies, and occasions requiring low noise and high stability. They are suitable for devices with stable current demand and do not require high efficiency. So, there you have it. The differences between switching power supplies and traditional power supplies. Each has its own strengths and applications, so it's important to consider these factors when choosing the right power supply for your electronic devices. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you next time.